Look, flew at my mouth. Jesus. Well, welcome back, friends. So, today we're starting a whole new adventure. I have a Greenstalk garden bed. Well, not garden bed. I don't know what you want to call them. But I have a Greenstalk, and we're going to plant it all out with strawberries. I got bare root strawberries that all came in. Is this... Yo, in the midst of the weeds, I got lettuce seeds popping up random places. I really have lettuce popping up in random places. And I also have, you know what, let me show you. Don't judge. We have not weeded out the garden bed yet, the garden space yet, but there's a lot more to come, okay? Look at right here. This is garlic. Literally, look. Garlic scape right here. See this? Little garlic scape. And in the middle, we have garlic. Over here, random lettuce. Literally, it's lettuce. Because look, in my Greenstalk, lettuce is also coming up. I know I planted lettuce here and it didn't do well, but somehow I'm getting it now. So I don't know if it's the birds or what. And yes, I haven't cleaned this one out yet. Over here, more lettuce. Whew. The garden is doing weird things, but we're just gonna let it be. We're gonna get to it all, just not right now. All right, anyway, so we're gonna plant up the Greenstalk. I think I'm gonna move the table over to that side today because the table's gonna eventually be moved anyway. I originally wanted this Greenstalk to go in the garden, in the greenhouse, which if you don't know, I guess now is the better time to tell you than any time. We're actually going to be doing a greenhouse in a whole little set area. Like, I really want a real cute, like almost formal area. Let me show you. Alright, so this is the scene. So out in that area right there, I'm thinking it's going to be the greenhouse. And yes, it's not ideal. It's shaded up. Eventually, I think those trees are going to go, but... I don't know how y'all are about trees, so I don't know if I want to talk about that. And then over here is going to be like more of like a fire pit area, and I want to do something like formal right going here with like maybe like a little fountain in the middle. I don't know, my brain's plans in the works. So, and then here, I think you can see this all the way on that other side right there, I want to do like my Bridgerton garden. That's what I'm calling it. And I got some hydrangeas coming. So right there, I have some hydrangeas coming. I put a little, that's as close as I can get you, but I put a little like stone, a little bench right there, and this is the space where we planted our trees. And so I want like hydrangeas and maybe an arch with some roses over there. I haven't fully made up my mind about it yet. Sorry, too close. All right, either way, that was the plan. So I only have about an hour to do this, so let's get this thing going. I think I'm gonna move this table now. But first, let's move the table so we can have a decent seat. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna use the seat and we're gonna use the kids' table. Let me check the sound and I'll let you know if I need to get my mic. Okay, we've gotten our mic. I hope that's better. So that way we can go through this. I have a bunch of bare root strawberries that I gathered up. And here I'll show you. So somebody said don't let the actual strawberries go into the water. So this time I am trying, it shifted a little bit while I was walking, but this time I'm trying to like just let the roots be soaked and not the actual strawberries. I've always just tossed them all in. They've never had a problem. As you can see, our strawberries normally do pretty well. Here is a tour of our current strawberry situation. This right here is my strawberry tower. I have a lot of things in the strawberry tower and it's going pretty well. Like as you can see, the strawberries, some of them overwintered. These are the new ones that we started and they're doing pretty well as well. So I honestly don't feel like strawberries are that bad. Like they're pretty resistant and resilient. But hey, if we want to baby him, we can baby him. You know what I mean? It's like kind of a whatever you want. I always get some that take, some that don't. As you can see, like the ones that I got, they're bouncing back really well. Like, look at them. They're just bouncing right on back. And we love that for us. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but either way, we try to make it work. So, like I said, I got my strawberries, and I also got my Greenstalk, which I'm actually really excited about. Now, I am not a Greenstalk affiliate. They actually won't let me be. I don't know why, but I've tried a couple times, but whatever. But I actually just love them so much that I get it myself anyway. And I think you're gonna love it too. So right now they do have, I think it's their Mother's Day sale right now. So if you can pick it up while it's on sale. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so stinking cute. It's so cute. Oh, they have like the best stuff. It's really well made. You will absolutely love Greenstalk. I love Greenstalk. I'm sorry. Now, I love a good pink. Like, I got those other ones which are light pink. They're cute or whatever. I was just happy that they finally came out with pink. But this, oh my gosh. This pink is absolutely gorgeous. I'm like so excited. So very excited. So Greenstalk is having their Mother's Day sale, and I think you can get like $50 off of these, and you can get like 20% off of a lot of other things. Again, I am not a Greenstalk affiliate. They won't let me be. I don't know why, but like I said, I've tried a couple times. They won't let me be an affiliate, but I just love them so much that I don't know why, but these towers are so cool. I really like them. And then I also got this. Oh, this is adorable too. These are berry cups right here. Look at this. Little berry cups. And what it does is that when you put your strawberries during the summer, you're going to get all these runners. And then it literally, like, you can replant your runners so that way you'll get more strawberries. I hope these work. They got little holes at the bottom so that way it drains the soil. But you put soil in them and then you just stick the runners in there and then they take root and then you can plant another strawberry plant. It's genius. I love Greenstalk. So if you can catch them while they don't have their sale, I think it goes on until like the 9th or something like that. Again, not an affiliate, just a product that I love. Grab you up one or two. I bought 2 one year, 2 the next year, and that's how we got 4. And then this year I got 1 to go in the greenhouse. So, again, absolutely stunning. And with your orders, they always give out the cutest little card, and they give like a couple of little seeds. Like, they give you so much. It's so adorable. And then they give you like a little card. Like, they got their new one, and I think this is like Jazzberry that they brought back this year. So it's so stinking adorable. I'm not gonna have like 10 of them. I can't do it. But Jazzberry, child. Hold up, it's right here. So, Mother's Day sale, April 21st through May 11th. And it says, it's just telling you mark your calendars. So I got those pink ones for Mother's Day. They were like exclusive color at that time. I don't know if they're bringing them back this year, which sucks because I really wanted these tops for my pink, and I really don't want to put this color pink on there, nor do I want to put a white one on there. So if I have to, I guess a white would be the next one, but I really didn't want to. So here's the little thing for their Mother's Day sale. They always have one, I guess because mothers like myself love to garden. We're gonna bring these up in towers of tears. So cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really excited. Yes, I get easily excited. But pink. I love anything pink. Oh, and I saw it and I was like, oh, And I was like, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. And then I was just like, no, I got to do it. I got to do it. Oh, cute. Oh, yeah. I forgot. And then I got the little pins. Aww. This is Becky of Acre Homestead. If you don't watch her, I love her. And Yellow Door Homesteading and also Garden Answer are like the 3 people I watch the most. But she got a card for how to make her strawberry shortcake. How cute. I might try it. Absolutely love it. Oh, here's a picture of Becky's shortcakes. Oh! Ah, see what I mean? It's all the extras. And they are like a... Ew, my thing is dirty. Alright, I think I'm done with my phone. Actually, you know what? I don't want it tracking enabled. Let's get it off. Because I feel like if we active track, you might can see something. I didn't want to be like too much or get you sick. Alright, so now that we got that, let's move this out the way. And now that this is out the way, now we can start planting these up. So, okay, so I actually changed my mind. We're actually going to use this one. This is the Smart Grower Genius all-purpose plant fertilizer. It says you can use it for fruits and stuff. I actually want to see. It's supposed to be like an all-clean fertilizer. I really kind of want to see how it holds up to stuff. You know what I mean? I got it in an onion bed over there. And this time we're going to try it in our strawberries and see which one yields the best blooms. I did in the pink one over there. We already did the, whatchamacallit. We already did the, God, I can't think today. Ooh. In the pink ones over there, we already did the, I'm going to spread these out because most of the time, they get heavy, and I find that they normally take about a whole bag of soil per level. And so people have asked me if they're heavy, have they ever blown over? Honestly, I've had greenhouses blow over, everything. Those towers have yet to blow over, not once. They've been sitting pretty and strong for years. Which is another reason I like them. I tried other ones on my first year, like some from Amazon. Girl, would topple over, and they were shorter than these. Like, if I can find a picture of it, I'll show you. But I had this one from Amazon and I loved it, but could not stand the test of time. Baby girl would fall over every day, every bad storm. All right, let's see. Now what I normally like to do is just get a whole bunch of it in here, pack it up, and then just move my soil around. You could totally probably push it, because they give you a line where it says to put your soil towel. And I'll show you on one of the later ones, that line. And you want your soil to go all the way to the top because it's going to get compact anyway. Y'all, excuse me, my allergies are killing me today. Yeah, here I am outside. So that's how you can tell the weather is changing again. Every time the weather changes, so does my allergies. I was going to do one and fill up the next, but I think I'm just going to go through, rack up my back right now and bring him up. My husband hurt his back, so I can't use him today. Even though he brought the soil over, I forgot. I feel so bad. But as you can see, it took about like 3/4 of one of these bigger old bags to fill it up. And all I do, and I hope you can see this, all I do is make sure that I just crumble up everything and push it in. Matter of fact, let me stop it from tracking my face, because you're not seeing everything because it wants to look at me. Oopsies. My bad. Alright, let me bring you closer to the edge, and then we can really see what we're doing here. Okay, I think that's better. Okay. So I just move it on around, get it all in there. I'm not worried about that hole right now. I worry about that hole at the end. And if you can see this, there's a line right here that says like stop, basically. All right, and then when we get it in, we're just you're gonna watch. We'll tuck it. We'll tuck it, move it, get it where we need to go. You know what? I'm sure y'all don't want to see too much of all of this, but we'll speed it up if we need to. But here's the little soil top line I was telling you about. I think you can see it. It says fill soil to top. Oh, all the way to the top. Even I be messing up because I thought it was to that wording. No, it's saying fill it up to the top, tippy top. So let's go ahead and plant these out. We ain't got much time, so we're gonna plant this out real quick. So I'm just doing a little bit in each hole.